How to screen record on an iPhone 11. If you have been using the iPhone 11 and wondering on how to screen record on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. Now, once you open your iPhone 11, you need to slide down to your widget option. Now to slide it down, simply slide the widgets from up to down, just like this, and you will find something like this. Now to screen record, you will see this button right here. Now simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you will see something like this red button right here. And if it shows just like this, this means your screen is now on recording. Now do the recording as you like. And that's it. This is how you can screen record on an iPhone 11. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.